Welcome to Trend Research Explained. In this series, we'll explore how to find viral topics and opportunities in your niche. Trend research is the foundation of successful content creation. By understanding what your audience is searching for and talking about, you can create content that resonates, ranks higher, and attracts more views. Let's dive in. Trend research is the systematic analysis of emerging topics, keywords, and content patterns to identify what audiences are searching for and discussing. It's about understanding the conversation happening around your niche. Why does this matter? Because discovering what people actually want to watch gives you content opportunities that align with real demand. The core goal is to create content that addresses what your audience is actively looking for, increasing your visibility and engagement opportunities. Trends matter for several critical reasons. First, audience demand. Creating content people actively search for means your videos will reach people looking for exactly what you're offering. Second, viral potential. Trending topics have momentum and exponential growth, meaning your content can spread faster and wider. Third, content ideas. You'll never run out of relevant topics that align perfectly with your niche. And fourth, growth strategy. Using data-driven decisions, instead of guessing, helps you build sustainable channel growth. These four factors combined make trend research essential for any serious content creator. Understanding different types of trends helps you strategize better. Viral trends are explosive and short-term, spreading rapidly with massive peaks in search volume. These offer quick wins but fade fast. Seasonal trends are predictable patterns that recur at specific times each year. You can prepare content for these well in advance. Emerging trends are rising topics gaining traction early, before they peak, giving you an early opportunity window to get ahead of the competition. Finally, evergreen trends have consistent, long-term demand that remains relevant year-round. Building a mix of all these trend types creates a balanced, resilient content strategy. Let's explore the essential tools for trend research. Google Trends allows you to track global search volume, compare keywords, and identify emerging searches in real time. Google Keyword Planner helps you analyze search volume and competition levels for specific keywords. YouTube Analytics gives you deep insights into your audience's search behavior and watch patterns directly on your channel. And YouTube Search Suggestions show you the autocomplete suggestions that appear when people search on YouTube, revealing exactly what people are looking for. These four tools form the foundation of your research toolkit. Social media platforms are goldmines for trend discovery. TikTok Discover shows you trending sounds, hashtags, and viral challenges in real time, making it perfect for identifying short-form content trends. Instagram Explore lets you monitor trending content, reels, and hashtags within your specific niche. Twitter Trending tracks real-time conversations and trending topics both globally and locally, giving you immediate insights into what people are discussing. Finally, Reddit communities allow you to explore niche discussions and understand what your target audience cares about, thinks about, and needs. Social media often leads traditional search tools in trend identification. Beyond basic tools, specialized platforms offer deeper insights. SEMrush and Ahrefs are advanced platforms for keyword research, competitor analysis, and tracking search volume trends over time. BuzzSumo helps you identify trending content and viral topics across all major social media platforms simultaneously. Trend aggregators like Exploding Topics consolidate emerging trends from multiple sources into one place, saving you time. Answer the Public visualizes the questions people are actually asking about your keywords and topics, revealing the specific problems your audience wants solved. These specialized tools accelerate your research process significantly. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process. First, define your niche clearly. Identify your specific content category and the audience segment you serve. Second, monitor multiple tools simultaneously. Gather data from Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, social media platforms, and keyword research tools to get a complete picture. Third, identify patterns. Look for consistent keywords appearing across tools, rising searches, and recurring themes. Fourth, analyze and prioritize. Rank the trends you've found by relevance to your channel, search volume, and how well they align with your content style. This systematic approach ensures you're making informed decisions. Learning from competitors accelerates your success. Study the top-performing videos in your niche. Examine their titles, keywords, descriptions, and thumbnails to understand what works. Track performance metrics like views, engagement rates, and comments to understand how audiences respond to different approaches. This analysis reveals what content resonates and what doesn't. Most importantly, identify content gaps. Look for topics your competitors miss or underserve. These gaps are your opportunities to create unique, differentiated content that fills a need in your niche. Once you've researched, here's how to spot opportunities. Content gaps exist when there's high search demand but few quality videos available. These are perfect targets for your content. Emerging topics are early-stage trends before they become saturated with competition, giving you a first-mover advantage. Niche angles let you take popular topics and present unique perspectives that differentiate your content from others. And seasonal windows are predictable demand peaks you can prepare content for well in advance. Each of these opportunity types offers different strategic advantages for your channel. Now it's time to put your research into action. Create a content calendar around the trends and opportunities you've identified, including seasonal windows. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags using the keywords you've discovered through research. Your titles and descriptions should feel natural while incorporating search terms people use. Monitor your video performance carefully. Track which trends actually deliver views and engagement versus which ones don't. This data refines your strategy over time. Finally, iterate and adapt continuously. Trend research isn't one-time work. Keep researching, keep testing, and keep adjusting your strategy based on what the data shows. Let's recap the key lessons. First, trend research drives content strategy. Data-driven decisions consistently outperform guesswork. Second, use multiple tools for comprehensive insights. No single tool tells the whole story, so combine search tools, social platforms, and analytics for a complete market view. Third, speed matters with emerging trends. Early adoption of rising topics gives you a significant competitive advantage before saturation happens. Fourth, continuous optimization is essential. Monitor your performance and iterate your strategy based on real results. Master these principles, and you'll unlock consistent growth for your channel.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.